Menuha, what are you doing? Menuha, what are you doing? Tell me, what are you doing? Tell me. Is it the place where you play? Is it the place? It is your playground. Dining table is your playground. Tell me, is it your playground? Menuha. Menuha, what is this? Why are you making things very good, very bad, very good and very bad? You are good girl, but you are not doing good things, What I am saying? Menuha, what I am saying? You are good girl, but you are not doing good things. It is your morning time, Okay, guys. This is my Menuha who is playing on the dining table, and this is morning time. It just awakened and just got playing here. Thank you for watching. God bless.